You know you want me, baby. You know I want you too. They call me Superman. I'm here to rescue you. I wanna save you, girl. Come be in Shady's world.
Oh boy, you drive me crazy.
Bitch, you make me call me Superman. Leap tall hoes in a single bound. I'm single now. Got no ring on his finger now. I never let another chick bring me down in a relationship. Save it, bitch. Babysit. You make me sick. Superman ain't saving shit. Girl, you can jump on Shady's dick. Straight from the hip, cut to the chase. I tell him off, I can slut to the face. Play no games, say no names. Ever since I broke up with what's her face, I'm a different man. Kiss my ass, kiss my lips, bitch my ass, kiss my dick, get my cash. I'd rather have you whip my ass. Don't put out, I'll put you out. Won't get out, I'll push you out. Push you out, poppin' shit, it's on fire to put you out. Not too nice, buy you ice, bitch you bad, don't buy you life. You tryna be my new wife? Want you Mariah? Fly through twice. But I do know one thing, no. Bitches they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then just sit your drunk ass on that fucking runway, ho. I can't be a Superman, can't be a Superman, can't be a Superman, can't be a Superman. I can't be a Superman, can't be a Superman, can't be a Superman. You're Superman, you're Superman. Don't get me wrong, it's no secret, everybody knows. Yeah, we fuck, bitch, so what? That's about as far as your buddy goes. We'll be friends, I'll call you again, I'll chase you around every bar you attend.